Welcome to Home Cooking is for the Birds. Today we're going to do something a little different. We are going to make some gifts for some teachers for around $3.25 a bag. First, we're going to take the brown paper bag and we're going to cut the top off about 3 inches, fold it in half, and you're just going to cut a design in the top of this. And this is the design that I decided to do, and you can even punch holes in between each curve there, and that would be really cute. It would look like lace. You can really be creative with this and just do your own thing. And then I have these stickers that I had purchased a couple of years ago for around $6 off of Amazon for some glass jars, a project I was doing, but there are hundreds of them and they have come in handy for all kinds of crafts and creative projects. But these look so cute on these bags. We are placing these on the flat side of that brown paper bag, just like that. I have these little labels, little cards, they're stick-ons that I purchased at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Because I am doing a themed bag, I'm going to write a cute little themed note on these, and my theme is relaxation, and I put on there, I hope you have a fun and relaxing summer. And you'll see why when I show you the gift that I'm going to put inside. Then I'm just going to stick the sticker on the bag. I purchased some purple sparkly tissue paper from the Dollar Tree as well. Sometimes I buy my Epsom salt at the Dollar Tree. This is lavender Epsom salt, so I went and got some of that, and I found some lavender spray. You spray it on your pillow, and it's got a little melatonin in it. And wrap this up, put it in the bag. This was so cute, but I'm not finished yet. I also purchased some lilac ribbon at the Dollar Tree. This was perfect. It matched my tissue paper. I wrapped this around the bag, and I realized that there's so much ribbon on this roll, I could have wrapped it 2 or 3 times, which I did on some bags. I curled that ribbon with my scissors, just like that. And voila, you have a nice, thoughtful little gift for a teacher or friend or someone's birthday. You could even make little gifts like this once a year to keep and store in your closet for an emergency gift. Gift giving does not have to cost a fortune. After all, it's the thought that counts.